So in this question, like we are asked to complete the table. So in each of the row, like we are given an equation, and we are also given the value of the unknown variable, and we are asking whether the equation is satisfied for the given value of variable. So let's see for the first one, right? So first one is x plus 3 is equal to 10, right? So x plus 3 is equal to 10, right? So we are asking like if x equal to 3 is the solution of this equation and this equation is satisfied or not, right? So let's fill the value, replace x with 3. So we have 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6, and this is of course not equal to 0. So this equation is not satisfied. So the answer is no. So the second part, like when we replace, we have the equation x plus 3 equal to 0, and the value is given as x equal to 0. So when we replace x with 0, so we get like x plus 3 is equal to 0, like we get like 0 plus 3, and which the left hand side become 3 and the right hand side is 0. So the equation is not balanced or not satisfied. For third part, like we are given the same equation, like x plus 3 equal to 0, and the value is given as x equal to minus 3, right? So if we replace x with minus 3, so this will become minus 3 plus 3, which will be 0. So this equation is satisfied for the third part. For the fourth part, like we have x minus 7 is equal to 1. So x minus 7 equal to 1, and the value for the x is given as 7. So when we replace this x with 7, we get like in the left hand side we get 0, and the right hand side we have 1. So this equation is not satisfied. And in the fifth part, like equation is x minus 7 equal to 1. So the value for x is given as 8. So when we replace x with 8, like we get 8 minus 7, which is 1. So the equation is satisfied. For the sixth part, we have 5x is equal to 25, and we are asked to find out whether the value x equal to 0 satisfies the equation or not. So when we replace x with 0, so we get like on the left hand side the 5 multiplied by 0, which is 0, and which of course is not equal to 25. So this equation is not satisfied. For the seventh part, like we have same equation, 5x equal to 25, and the value for x is given as 5. So if we replace this x with 5, so we have 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25. So left hand side is 25 and the right hand side is also 25. So equation is satisfied. For the eighth part, we have 5x equal to 25, and the value for x is given as minus 5. So when we replace x with minus 5, we have 5 multiplied with minus 5, which will become minus 25. So the equation is not satisfied. For the ninth part, we have m by 3 is equal to 2, right? And m, the value given as minus 6. So when we replace m with minus 6, we get minus 6 by 3, which is minus 2. So left hand side we have minus 2, whereas on the right hand side we have plus 2. So this equation is not satisfied. For the 10th part, we have m by 3 equal to 2, and m, the value given as 0. So when we replace m with 0, so we get 0 by 3, which is 0. So left hand side becomes 0 and the right hand side is 2. So this equation is not satisfied. And for the 11th part, we have m by 3 is equal to 2, and this m value is given as 6. So when we replace m with 6, so we have 6 by 3, which is 2. So left hand side is 2 and the right hand side is also 2. So this equation is satisfied.